You are going to love the 2018 Charger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, power driver seat, leather shift knob. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. Come see the car for yourself.